So guys, this is me. I am Tracy Faith or TakeOver and
so guys, karon mga taga-garpawan para magpagupit. Taas na kaya itong buhok. Tugton para magpagupit. Alright, let's go. Pagupit ito guys. Namang iro. Taba kayo. Taba kay ka. Bago lang ang kaon. Mabot na ako sa pagupit. Tiper. Standard itong kuwan na kanang adventure kanang mulai kurog bang magkana 24 oh kanang di shaky ba kanang ngala ka kayo aw gamay manakit na ma-advise ka na dapat kayo mawait sige na dito na yung kang sa unahan makuha ang tanan no mawait man na pati ang kuan pati ang sugaring abot niya ba wait sa mulag. Kailangan nila
parang maiwas less lang disgrasya sa kuha naman kung isa
wala naman kahit bilhin siya.
kita naman sa kamera na ayaw pa ta 5 kilo na 5 kilo bang yun ka
Uncle
ano ginagawa din ng vlog kaya magitong gipost tong lagot ka ayo harap ba ni ipataas capture ni. Yes guys, hello. This is me. This is ours. This is
Johnny. Hindi mo lagi ma-open.
na siya night light like I mean night vision or something or is it just this? How do you pause this one? This is automatically saved things.
Wala gin mo gi-charge.
Ano yan Paway pa na ako. Ano to? Lubat, manggulo ni. Lubat ni.
Ay, dili man.
Ito na pag-open. Wala lagi ko, Andre. Ay. So, ni, mura lagi nagsil. So, guys, this is me. I am Tracy Faith or TakeOver, and that is Charisse. I'm Penko. Yeah.
My mother straightened up. Nicole is coming tomorrow. We discussed it and she agreed it's best.
Where are you
I had
holding
agreed to
snacks?
nothing. Diane looked at me. Are you insane?
So, mani. Anak ko, unsa akong pag-view?
But everyone stopped. What trauma? I asked.
Ah, ma-view ang nasave.
Sa cellphone.
Ni Kuya, automatic.
Like my childhood bully. It's not your fault, but I can't deal with you around. This was
So, what I'm videoing right now, he can see it on his phone. Right?
real family.
Right? What I'm recording now, he can see it automatically on his phone. No, how do you do this one?
Some bonds were stronger.
Hi.
That's when Tom came out.
Who are you?
Aunt Louise, the restaurant, needs
Give me
a
that.
How many people? My mother looked directly at me.
You have a cat
Everyone
here.
except Nicole. Tom looked shocked. You're uninviting your own daughter? Howard stepped forward then. It's what's best for everyone. Nicole understands. But I didn't understand anything.
It's not
Mom, what's really
crunchy.
going on? Did Rebecca